Tonight, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, a vibrant and rapidly expanding field that is influencing almost every aspect of our lives. Imagine a market worth $300 billion in just a couple of years. That's the US AI market projected to reach $299.64 billion by 2026, showing how vital this technology has become. AI isn't merely a trend. It's a revolution that's deeply embedded in business fabric, like Netflix, which earns a staggering $1 billion every year thanks to its automated recommendation system. So, sit back and prepare for an eye-opening journey into what the future holds. Let's talk manufacturing. Did you know that AI is set to revolutionize this industry by adding a whopping $3.78 trillion to it by 2035? Companies are adopting AI to perform tasks more efficiently, ensuring production lines run smoother than ever. Picture this: AI-driven predictive maintenance that reduces downtime by 50%. Sounds incredible, right? This means machines work longer and better, ultimately saving money and boosting productivity. With AI, the factories of tomorrow will be smarter, faster, and yes, more environmentally friendly. Now, shifting gears to healthcare, where AI is making waves. Over 38% of healthcare providers are already using computers to assist in diagnosis. This is not just about efficiency, it's about improving patient care. Imagine algorithms that can analyze medical data quicker than a doctor, bringing life-saving insights at the speed of light. AI in healthcare is projected to generate massive revenue and is a driving force in our journey towards a healthier future. Every second counts in these scenarios, and AI is helping to cut down those crucial minutes. But AI doesn't stop in manufacturing and healthcare. Look at retail. A staggering 90% of organizations believe integrating AI will provide them with a competitive edge. This tech helps retailers analyze customer behaviors and preferences in real time, which enables precise forecasting and better inventory management. This way, customers find what they need, when they need it, making shopping a breeze. With AI, retailers can tailor marketing campaigns that resonate, thus enhancing customer loyalty and ensuring success in the crowded market space. Of course, it's not all roses. Many companies still face challenges like data quality issues, integration hurdles, and skepticism regarding the effectiveness of AI technologies. Almost 40% of executives believe that AI can be prohibitively expensive. But here's the good news: the journey is worth every investment made. Companies that strategically navigate these challenges are opening the door to vast opportunities. So, if you're hesitant, just know that every major technological advance started as a challenge, and overcoming these will ultimately lead to reward. As we wrap this exploration of AI, I want to thank each of you for being part of this conversation. Your feedback is invaluable in shaping our community. Are there topics you want to dive deeper into? Maybe explore AI's impact on a specific industry? Let's build this space together. Your suggestions will help me improve the content quality continuously. Remember, this channel is all about AI tech, unearthing knowledge, and supporting each other through this tech-driven journey. Subscribe for more insights, and keep our dialogue rolling in the comments.